Deepak sir, please start.
Yeah, the
Yes, sir.
broadcast.
Please start the program.
Let's start the program. So
Yes, sir.
let me start the program. With the honorable guests and speakers for the day, Dr. Shushi Oja sir and Dr. Anand Narayan Sinha sir. So we here all along with the honorable faculty of various departments like pathology, physiotherapy, and microbiology. So here we're not limited to the faculty, but all along with the numerous students of all the departments, which are the part to hear some valuable words from our guest speakers. So today we are observing National Doctors Day 2022, and this whole nation, that is the India, celebrates National Doctors Day every year on July 1st. And he is the birth anniversary of Dr. B.C. Roy. The birth anniversary of Dr. B.C. Roy. He's an eminent physician. He was an excellent academician. He was a good freedom fighter and an excellent politician also. Having all the four qualities of physician, academician, freedom fighter, and politician. So therefore, Dr. B.C. Roy he became the first chief minister of West Bengal after India gained independence. Now we are indebted to all the amazing physicians who are shaping the future of medicine. So we want to give heartful thanks to all the doctors because our health system cannot sustain without you. So in the presence of global pandemic, doctors were always there for every help to the needy persons and hope every day you try to reflect the need of the patient. So these amazing physicians were always ready for their helping hands to all to all the from all the years and for your kind and generous work. So today we thank, we recognize, we honor doctors all over India, especially my friends and my colleagues. So the past year, our doctors, our physicians who put their lives at stake to save the ailing humanity. So, dear doctors, your hard work, your dedication towards every nook of society was enormously recognizable. So, here we can think that once again, we all must be indebted to all the amazing physicians who are shaping the future of medicine and especially working for the society at large. At now, here, right now, I must request Dr. Anand Narayan Sinha to please guide us, to please narrate a few words for our students and for our faculty. Dr. Sinha, sir.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Malik. First,
Yes,
why July 1st is Doctor's Day? More important, you know, as you told us, India celebrates National Doctors Day on July 1st every year to honor the birth and death anniversary of great physician. Also, second Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. B.C. Roy. Important thing, what is the meaning of Doctor's Day? Basically, Indian Medical Association (IMA) celebrate July 1st as a National Doctors Day every year. This day, the day is dedicated to all the doctors and healthcare workers who have been serving the people, you know, amid the COVID-19 pandemic. It has once again reminded people about the contribution of healthcare workers across the world. More, more important, what is the role of doctor in society? What is the role of doctor in society? You know, doctors serves lives, but their importance goes far beyond that. Doctor also make a difference by helping patient minimize pain, recover from disease faster, and learn to live with disabling injury. A patient ability to enjoy life, even if they cannot be cured, make a huge difference to them and to their families. Why why are doctors more important in society? Basically, doctors are responsible for increased life expectancy and improved well-being in society. People who survive disease such as cancer usually owe their survival to doctors whose skill and dedication are vital for their care. Why society expects from doctors? What society expects from doctors? Society expects doctors to provide services of a healer who is moral, competent, transparent, accountable. The point is exemplified by the famous Hippocratic Oath. You know, doctor society relation exists since time immemorial. What are the values of doctors? Who is good doctor? Who are good doctors? Those who have compassion, understanding, empathy, honesty, competence, commitment, humanity, and courage. So today, Doctors' Day or 1st July always celebrate Doctors' Day. So it is a big thing. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Susil and Dr. Malik. And say a few words. Hello. Hello. Are you listening?
Yes, sir. Very nicely described about the Doctor's Day.
Yes, Dr. Sushil Oja, sir, please continue.
Thank you, Dr. Malik, for inviting me on the occasion of a prestigious National Doctors' Day to your college faculty and students. So first I thought I should present a PowerPoint. Then I thought, it's kind of a practical communication experience based thing. So I will be sharing my experience of being a doctor. So why there is need to celebrate a doctor? Because you are the privileged person of the society. God has given opportunity to heal the ailments of the people. So you have to take it as a responsibility. First aim is to heal the patients, not to think about money. Commercial interest, the moment the commercial interest has involved, it has caused a lot of disrespect of the doctors in the society. So my advice to all the budding and doctor, paramedical staff and everyone, that you should always think of serving the humanity. You are the person who has got the opportunity to serve the humanity. So you also know there is nothing like serving the humanity. Even all religion, it is well respected proverb that you have to serve the humanity. Then you are serving the God. Indirectly, you are the all persons are created by the God. So you are basically a messenger of the God in all religion. So first thing is why so much of the respects in previous era, but now it is getting lesser and lesser. So the more important thing is due to the involvement of commercial interest, they are treating doctors as if they are buying something. They are buying anything. So they are paying fees and they deserve the consultation. This is not done. If you have to this kind of behavior is provocated in the society of the doctors, then it is going to harm the respect. And also, even what best treatment you give, you can give your best, but the results is not in your hand. So you have to take back the faith which was previously privileged in the doctors. The doctor has given his best, but this was the destiny, and he cannot done more than that. What we can do, we can give medicine as per the ailment, but the healing is not in our hand. Sometimes it may heal, and sometimes even after best efforts we may not be able to heal that. And in such conditions, so much of nuisance, the breaking of the hospital and everything happening in the society. So this is happening due to the loss of the respect of the doctor. Everybody on the background is thinking that is doctor is not motivated for serving the patient. Doctor is more motivated for getting the money from the patient. So my advice as a doctor, as an experienced doctor to you, that whoever is coming to you as a nursing, paramedical, and every as a doctor, whoever you are treating, suppose if patient is of less age than you consider that as your sister or brother while treating that patient. If a patient is elderly, then you should consider that patient as your parents, as your mother, as your father. The moment you start thinking your patient as a family, your commercial interest will be gone, and you will give a legitimate ethical treatment to your patients. And this kind of behavior is provoked in our doctor, paramedical, nursing community. It will lead to a so much faith, regain of the so much faith, and and it will also further decrease the violence which is happening against the doctors. So this was my theme. And why we should celebrate? Yes, we should celebrate because we are the privileged person of the society. We as a doctor have not only the privileged person, but simultaneously we have the responsibility to heal the patient, to heal the disease, to treat the diseases. So it comes with so much responsibility, so much compassion, so much empathy. So all these things has to be taken into the consideration. And also to all of you, that first thing is you treat your patients, your family member, and also never come in stress is causing so many of death of the young doctors at a very young age. Recently, about a day after, matlab 2 days before, one of the young ophthalmologists in Srinagar based hospital, Bhaskar Penuli, got died at the very early age of 33 years due to so much stress in the job. It is not a relaxed kind of thing which was happened in previous era. You have to keep on updating yourselves, read recent article and textbook also simultaneously. You have to update your knowledge. And also my advice is not to be in so much stress all the time. Try to be relaxed also. Not try to divide your day and give some time to yourself for exercise and other things also, other than your professional practice. So that was from me. And thank you, Dr. Malik, for giving me opportunity to speak on Doctors Day at your prestigious college. And you have given so many of paramedical nursing students to our state and all over India. So I am once again congratulate your faculty and your college administration for doing so much nice work in a hilly state of Uttarakhand.
Uh, thank you very much, Dr. Sushil Ojha sir. It's a very nice few words you had spoken, but they were very deep enough to touch our heart. And we had to learn from your seniors that how we had to behave with the patients, and how we had to treat the patients. And when we are going to look the patients as our family, we can able to understand patients better. And Dr. Ananaya Sinha, you had developed a very good sense of humor that every day is a doctor's day. And as you told us that we had to be very sincere enough, we had to be updated every time. So it's a great privilege for me to propose a word of thanks to our Honorable Chairman, Dr. Mr. Arvind Gupta, our principal, Dr. Shailja Pant, who had always been a motivating force in organizing such programs and celebration of such important days. So I would like to express my special thanks to Dr. Sushil Oja and Dr. Anand Narayan Sinha for sharing our enriching views on how one can keep himself or herself healthy, healthy in the terms of providing necessary help to the needy persons and to the society at large. That is what the healthy here means. So I would like to thank my colleagues, my various departments like physiotherapy, like pathology, like microbiology, colleagues from medical fraternity, and students from all others who had been part of this enlightening session. So last but not least, a special word of thanks of our staff, the lifeline of the college who make arrangements of all such program. Anyways, once the program is over, I had to say, sir, good afternoon to everyone and have a great day. And thank you once again, Dr. Sushil Ojha, sir, and Dr. Anand Narayan Sinha, sir, to be the part of this event. And very, very, very brief, but very, very deep words you had spoken for this day. And we must understand this day is not going to be end at the moment. It's going to proceed for years together. And for coming year also, we're going to join and we're going to develop some beautiful thing, maybe in a live session where we can able to make our students sit in front of you and you're going to deliver some beautiful, beautiful remarkings of their lives. So thank you once again for both the doctors, these eminent doctors. We are like Dr. Sushil Oja and Dr. Anand Sinha, sir. Thank you once again, and I
Thank
hope
you
that
once again, Dr. Malik, and all the faculty and students also. Thank you.
thank you very much. Sir. Thank you. And since it's not going to stop here, in further session, when they're going to start after August 2022, we're going to start a new session. And within the new session, Dr. Anand Sinha, we are going to call you frequently for some guest lecture, as well as Dr. Oja also. We're going to call you some specific lecture, which is for very common purpose to all the students and to all the faculty of the institute. Thank you very much, sir. Once again,
Okay,
wish you
thank
a
you
good
once again.
day. Wish you a healthy day. Thank you, sir. Thank
Okay,
you. Thank you,
Thank
sir,
you so
very
okay.
much.
much.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you to all.
Thanks. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Malik, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya
Thank
ji.
you all.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Sinha, sir. Thank you.
आपको भी आदित्य जी थैंक यू